Hi, and welcome to Math 4407. This is an online course by NJCTL that's designed to be used with high school students. This course, Math 4407, is an Algebra 2 course. This course aligns to the student materials that you would find on our website for Algebra 2. Here you see the teaching materials for Algebra 2 that can be downloaded to our website. In Math 4407, these materials are built into an online learning platform that's interactive for students. And this course is divided up into modules, just like our classroom courses are divided up into units, and you'll see a one-to-one correspondence, as our online courses were built to replicate the experience of our classroom teaching materials. As I said, in our online courses, each course is divided up into modules or units of study. So here for Algebra 2, the first module or unit is an overview of functions. Each of these modules follows a similar structure. So once you understand the structure of one, that structure will just be repeated through the remaining modules. At the beginning of each module, you'll see a topic overview. This gives you an understanding of what you're going to be learning in this topic, as well as the learning outcomes. Here it's just laid out a little bit more simply and clear. For Your Success lets you know that you should watch the videos and complete the practice problems, then complete the lab and the mastery exercises. There are no required readings for this module. So let's start here. First, you want to watch the videos and then complete the practice problems. All of the videos are here under topics. So you'll go through each of these topics one at a time. If you come into a topic, you'll see that it starts with a video. Just beneath the video is a PDF that you can use to follow along. Once you finish watching this video, you'll scroll down and see a button that says Check Your Understanding. These questions are here just to check to be sure that you understood what you just watched. So you answer and submit your answer. Right away, you're going to get feedback, so you know whether or not you got this answer correct. And in this case, I didn't get the answer correct, so I'm prompted to watch a video. If I want to try again, before I watch the video, I can just say, yes, I'd like to try again, and I come back and I see this exact same question again. Now I can get it right, and it says, yes, you have the correct answer, but you can still watch the video if you're interested. Then you continue on to the next. And you've got another question. You submit, and unfortunately I didn't get this one correct. So I can watch the video and continue on to the next question. You go through each of those questions until you get to the point that you either see another video and another set of questions or get to the end of the topic. When you get to the end of the topic, you'll have a note show up that says, congratulations, you've reached the end of the topic. And then you can come back to Module 1 by clicking here. Once you've finished Topic 1, you can go on to Topic 2. You don't have to complete these all in one sitting. There are 10 topics here. I'm probably not going to complete them all in one day. But once you've finished all of the videos and you've done all of the Check Your Understanding questions, the next thing to do is to complete the practice problems. So just beneath, you'll see the practice problems. Now, like I said, this is an exact replica of our course materials for students that we have on our website. So when you click here, you're actually going to be taken to the website to see the classwork and homework file. You can download this in Word, in OpenOffice, or in PDF and complete those problems. Once you've completed the topics and the practice problems, the next thing you want to do is complete the lab. So the lab is a virtual lab. It's here, and it says, please complete the virtual lab using this website. So you go to this website and complete the virtual lab, and then You'll also complete the lab write-up. The lab write-up can then also be submitted for review by the teacher. For anyone who has a hard time downloading the lab in Word, we've also put it below as a PDF. Okay, so once you've gone through the topics and you've learned everything, completed the practice problems and the lab, it's time to do the mastery exercises. The mastery exercises are essentially a multiple choice quiz of all of the material covered. So you come into the mastery exercises, hit attempt quiz now, and this is a 15-question multiple choice quiz. They're not always 15 questions, but on average about 15 to 20. Once completing, you can finish the attempt and submit and finish. Right away, you're given your grade and you can review each question. If you're not happy with your score, you can reattempt the quiz. All right, so back at Module 1, we saw that we needed to watch the videos, complete the practice problems, then complete the lab and the mastery exercises. So we've done the topics, we've done the practice problems, we've done the lab and the mastery exercises. Down beneath, you're going to see several PDFs. These are really just here as placeholders for the PDFs that you saw in the topics while you were watching videos. There is nothing that needs to be done with these PDFs. If you would like to review something, you can pull it up, but you don't have to. And now you're on to Module 2. Again, you can see that this module has the exact same structure as the first module. We see what we're going to learn about. We get a more in-depth view of all the things that we're going to be able to do. For our success, we're going to watch the videos, complete the practice problems, then complete the labs and mastery exercises, and there are no required readings for this module. So again, you go through each of the topics, watching the videos and answering the check your understanding questions. When you finish, you'll link out to the classwork and homework and use those as practice problems. The lab is here. It's a Word version, but if you're unable to open the Word version, the PDF is listed just below. This assignment here, though, is where it can be submitted for teacher review. And finally, the mastery exercises are here as a multiple choice question quiz for you to check your understanding of the entire module. And again, you do not need to reread these PDFs unless there's one that you're interested in taking a look back. And on to the next module. One other thing to note is that here at the top is your completion bar. This will let you know what progress you've already made. So in the first module, when I finish topic 1, this will turn green. When I finish topic 2, this will turn green. So if you're going through modules and you're not doing them all in one day, this is a great spot to go back and see where you need to get started. And you can click on that box and it'll take you right to where you need to be. So this has just been a brief overview to show both teachers and students the structure of an NJCTL online course for students.